Hello everyone, welcome again to Crypto Gems. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Trezor wallet and how you can get the best promo offers and current discounts with the Trezor wallet. Please do note our disclaimer since the information here is for informational purposes only. This is my opinion and I am not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. I will be leaving the link in the description below as always, so make sure to check it out before you buy and go look at the product so you can get the best price. What is the Trezor wallet? I have talked about it before, but for those of you who don't know, it's basically an offline hardware wallet where you can store your cryptocurrency safely. So why would you want a hardware wallet? Well, because information that's stored online can be copied and stolen. So when you go offline and you store your coins with a wallet like Trezor, for example, it is the safest way to manage your coins and just any transactions that you want to do. The Trezor wallet comes with different great features, but it is important to note that they have been audited by security researchers and they have great customer support. So they have live agents that will help you with any questions about the product that you purchase from them. Also, they have a very easy to use interface and they work with all of the coins that are right now high in demand. Also, if you're worried about losing your information, they actually have a backup option that takes only 5 minutes. So once we go here to the Trezor Shop, we'll be able to see all the current products. The link again will be in the description below. You can click it. It'll be updated to whenever you're watching the video so that you can get the current offers and pricing. First, I want to talk about the Trezor Starter Pack. So this is if you're new in your cryptocurrency journey or just getting started and you want some guidance, you want something that's just very straightforward. This is an option to, as they say, start using Bitcoin right away. What does it include? It includes a Trezor Model One hardware wallet and a Coin5 voucher of 10 euros of Bitcoin, plus the quick start guide that lets you get an idea of the best way to just start trading and tips that will be a big help. Please do note that their Coin5 voucher does have an expiration, so they may be changing this, modifying it. Just make sure to check the links and see if it's still available by the time that you're watching the video. Another model that they have is the Trezor Model T. So this is a more advanced wallet that you'll be able to use if you want a bit more features. So the Trezor Model T is an advanced cryptocurrency hardware wallet. You can store Bitcoin, password tokens, and other keys with confidence. Now they have the Trezor One double pack. So if you want to go for the Trezor One, you don't want to go with the starter pack, but you feel you need two wallets with, is good for so many reasons. A quick example, you travel a lot, you want to keep one home and then just have another one for when you're traveling, then it's a great option to just go for the double pack instead of buying them individually because you'll only have to pay once and it is going to be slightly more economical than if you buy one at a time. Or again, the Trezor one by itself is another option, but I would recommend to just go with a double pack because it's good to have more than one wallet on hand. Now they also have the Trezor Ultimate Pack. So honestly, this is, I think, one of their best options. And for that reason, it's probably why it's out of stock. So it should be coming back shortly. Just make sure to check the links, keep your eye out, and make sure to take advantage whenever it's available again. So for this price right here, you get a Trezor Model T and the Trezor Model One, but also the Crypto Steel Capsule Solo, which allows you to store your codes inside. So definitely it is a very good deal. They also have, if you want something a bit more personalized to your style, they have the Trezor one in metallic. So it's just an exclusive model that they have. It is a handmade device and they made it just in honor of their 5th anniversary. So definitely if you want something that's more unique, they probably won't have it on there forever since it is an exclusive model. So check the link and see if it's still available if you would like to have that for yourself. They also have pretty useful accessories. They have the crypto tag. So as they say here, it's literally a bulletproof titanium backup that protects your recovery seeds for the long term. So the recovery seed is what you use for your backups to access your wallet offline, so obviously it's important to keep it protected. They also have silicone cases for your Trezor Model One, so you can just keep it even safer, especially like I said for anyone who's a traveler. And they also have the same ones for the Trezor Model T. They have USB-C cables. So basically all the things that will make the use of your wallet a better experience. You can find it directly on their shop. And those are all the offers that they currently have right now. That is the best way, that if you want to just get a good deal on it, I recommend you go better for the packs that they have, whether it's the double pack or the ultimate pack. And again, the links will be up to date, so sometimes they're adding even more discounts. Even though these prices are already very good, sometimes you can find lower prices than this, so make sure to keep that description updated with the best prices for you. And that covers all of the Trezor product discounts I wanted to go over. If you like this video, please do leave a comment below. Let us know any questions that I didn't answer, and make sure to like as well as subscribe so you can get more helpful content like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.